Okay. Is that the way it's supposed to be?
No, turn it upside down.
Okay, like this. Okay.
Yes.
To start with, I am Dr. Austin Chinemeze Nwabwane from Anambra State, Nigeria. I am the author of the Transformational Mathematics for Senior Secondary Schools. I was also the first mathematician in the world who had invented the 11 rules of divisibility for 7 without the use of a calculator. I will be very glad if you follow, like, and share this video to the preponderance of our students all over the world so as to comprehend mathematics in its simplest form. So our topic for this edition is wet problems. I think
Yes. Yes.
wet
No. Yes. Okay. Start from there.
wet problems leading
Okay. The bag has stopped. Yeah, come up and yes.
to linear equations. Am I right?
Yes.
Our topic, as I said earlier, is word problems leading to linear equations. In every citadel of learning, mathematics and English are indispensable subjects for the demystification of our everyday problems. Your knowledge and command in English matters a lot as far as this particular topic is concerned. Here, statements in English are metamorphosed into mathematical statements without altering or changing the original meaning of our statements. So, we're going to take one or two examples to clarify our topic for today. Yes, can I get question number 1?
Okay.
Should I start from here?
Yes.
So example number 1. Yes.
Sir algebra
Sir algebra. Is it legible?
yeah
Uh-huh.
is 7 times
Is 7 times
as old.
old.
The next line
Okay.
will come up to the next one.
As
Yes.
old
As his daughter is.
as his daughter
Is.
is. Uh-huh.
Yeah. In 8 years time.
In
8
8
years time.
years time.
Next line. Come up. Yes. He will be 5 times older.
He will
Be 5 times older.
older.
Yes.
Yes.
What are their ages now?
What are
Their ages now.
their
Next line.
ages
Now.
Good question. This is a typical example of word problem leading to linear equation. So let's tackle the first sentence. Yes, algebra is 7 times as old as his daughter is. So in the first sentence, we know that the father is 7 times the daughter's age. So let's assume that the daughter's age is m. Then the father's age will be what? 7 times m. So, solution.
Okay. Come up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Solution. Right.
Yes, under it.
Okay.
So you're right and legible.
Okay. Let m be the daughter's age.
Yes, yes, yes.
Then let 7m be the father's age. You see? Now let's proceed to the second sentence or statement. In the 8 years time, you know, he means algebra, or the father will be 5 times the daughter's age. So in 8 years time, it means that the father, you add 8 years to it, and the daughter, you also add 8 years to her age. And let's see what's going to happen. It simply means that in 8 years time,
Yes, start from there.
okay, in 8 years time, yes, what will happen? It means that the daughter, let's be right, daughter is equal to m plus 8. Under it?
Yeah, come up a little.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Then father will be equal to 7m plus 8. You see? But the father age in 8 years time will be 5 times the daughter. You see? So now we can say, shall I write here?
Yes. Yeah, correct. One more time.
Okay, here, right?
Yes, yes.
So now father's age, 7m plus 8 is 5 times the daughter's age, which is what? M plus 8.
Come over to the next.
Okay, let me write it.
Start from
here. Okay. So we can make our statement to be 7m plus 8 is means equal to 5 times m plus 8. You see?
Yes.
So we have what? 7m plus 8 is equal to 5 open brackets m plus 8. Now let's tackle the one on the right hand side. We open the bracket by multiplication under it.
I'll come down a little. Yeah.
So we have 7m plus 8 is equal to, you open the bracket by multiplication, say 5 times m will give you 5m, then plus 5 times 8 will give you 40. Yes. So what do we do next? We collect the like terms. So under it.
Yes, yes.
Now we have 7m minus 5m is equal to 40 minus 8. You see? So what do we do? 7m minus 5m. Right.
Yes.
So we have 2m is equal to, then 40 minus 8 will give you 32. We have 2m is equal to 32. Then how do we liberate m? We divide both sides by 2. Yes. Clear, right?
Yes, yes.
And divide both sides by 2, right?
Yes.
So you have 2m over 2 is equal to 32 over 2. 2 cancel 2, you are left with what? M. And it's equal to 2 goes into 32, we have what? 16. Therefore, you can say that M is equal to 16 years. That is daughter age. Daughter's age. 8.
Yeah, come on.
Then our 7m, which simply means 7 times m, and is the same thing as 7 times 16, which is equal to 7 times 16 will give us 7 times 6 will give you 42, and 7 times 1 will give you 7, plus 4 will give you 11. That is 112 years. That is father's age. You see? So you can see that M is the daughter's age, which is equal to what? 16 years. Then the father's age is 7m, which is 7 times m, means 7 times 16, which will give you what? 112 years. So their ages now are what? 112 years for the father and 16 for the daughters. Is that clear? So, and for your information, all the results according to age or anything that regard age supposed to be in positive, it will give you positive result. We don't have negative answers. For instance, you say the age of the father is minus 40 years. No, we don't have such answers. So let's go to example 2. I think you can clean it. Let's go to example.
Example 2 says Q represents calm down a certain number.
A certain
Number. When the number is the next line. Yes. When the number
is
multiplied by 4.
Is multiplied by 4.
The next line. The result is the same.
The result is the same
as that of adding 51. Next line. Yeah, come up a little.
51.
Yes.
Adding 51
to the number. Find the value of Q.
Find.
Okay, that.
So let's have example number 2 from this first sentence. You know, Q represents a number. So we say let the number be Q. Very simple. Yes. Let Q be the number.
That's right.
So now we say when the number is multiplied by
4. When the number is multiplied by 4.
So it simply means that when Q is multiplied by 4. So we have have Q times 4. simply means when the number is multiplied by 4, this q times 4. And they say that the result is the same thing as adding 51 to the number. You see? So we'll now add 51 to the same number, which is what? Q. So let's add 51 to the same number.
Yes.
So we have Q plus 51. It therefore means when you multiply the number by 4, it's the same thing as adding the same number, adding 51 to the same number. So it simply means
Yes.
Q times 4 is equal to Q plus 51. As when 4 is multiplied to that number Q, the result is the same. Whenever you hear the word result or the same, simply means equal to. It's equal to that is equal to 51 being added to the number. So let me write on the other side.
Right.
So Q times 4 will give you 4Q. It's equal to Q plus 51. So what do? We collect the like terms. We're going to transfer the Q on the right hand side to the left hand side. And it's going to change its positivity to negativity. So that we now have 4Q minus Q is equal to 51. Then 4Q minus Q will give us 3Q is equal to 51. For you to get Q, you divide both sides by 3. So you have 3Q over 3 is equal to 51 over 3. 3 cancel 3, you are left with what? Q. And Q is equal to what? Q is equal to
51 over 3.
51 over 3. When you divide it, it give you 17. As 3 goes into 5, will give you 1 remainder 2. You join the 2 to 1, become 21. 3 goes into 21, will give you 7. So Q is equal to what? 17. So the certain number is what? 17. As simple as that. So I'll be very glad if you follow, like and share this video. You see, to enable our students understand the complexity of mathematics. And if you have any question, you can drop it on my comment section, and I will endeavor to see that I reply or solve your problems accordingly. Thanks for watching, and I will still continue as far as this topic is concerned in the next edition. Thank you very much.